aba Allied Democratic Forces omwihanga lya Congo omu ntekateeka ya Operation Shujaa. Omu bwire obwo abainazi aba Allied Democratic Forces ADF bakaba berisize karungu omukuraza abanyayuganda nibareeba obwo barikutega bomu omuri za motoka omu mahoteri n'omu myanya etari emwe n'emwe mu ihanga obuteriho n'okugira ngu abantu nyamwingi bakaferwa amagara gaabo abo abainazi aba ekyareetaire amahega y'ihanga gayimukiramu okubakurata omu bibira ebi barikwesherekamu omu ihanga erya Congo.
The terrorist is always a terrorist. Some small groups will always come into our area to disturb the population here and there. So we are not yet fully done. We and the Congo army, we are doing a very, very good job. I think we shall end that.
Okurgobo amahega y'ihanga ga UPDF gatwire nigarwanisa abainazi aba omu burwizoba obw'ihanga lya Congo n'ekigendererwa ky'okureetaho obusinge omu mahanga ga East Africa. Ndobo amahega y'ihanga gakozire omurimo gw'amaani omu kurwanisa abainazi aba omu ihanga lya Congo ekireetereho obusinge n'abantu abamwe ababaire bahunzire bakagaruka omu maka gaabo okurigirira aha muduumizi w'amahega y'ihanga agaheitaka Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga nagira ngu aba UPDF bakiineyo omurimo gw'amaani.
Where the civilians now, the civilian population in Eastern DRC has gone back to their homes. They have gone back to their homes. Where you see some of the UN camps closing, we have seen that, especially in these areas of Chabi, after in Mboga, those areas of Maribong, Zunguka, you know those areas when I mention them. Those areas of Mwenda, those areas of Mutwanga, people have gone back to farming, churches have opened, schools have opened.
Mbigambo bye Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga yanangiriza abanyayuganda okuguma abuzoora beisho n'obw'amahega y'ihanga gari nigakorekere kubasika kyona gurebeka ngu abainazi aba bahweraho kimwe.
These are rebels. They are terrorists. They don't come in uniform. They come in civilian clothes, hiding their guns, I think, in bags or in some other luggages. They are able to come in that disguised manner. Yeah.
Makuraga gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki, Sky TV again.